Was this a ransom attack?
I can't really speak to that at this point.
Now at 6, the city of Columbus dealing with the cybersecurity issue currently impacting all city services. This started last Thursday, the same day as that CrowdStrike failure, but the city says that this is separate from that. The city saying someone clicked on malware at a link.
Yeah, 10 TV's Lacey Chris joins us live from Columbus City Hall with the latest on this. Lacey?
Well, the mayor was pretty tight-lipped about exactly what is going on, but he did tell me he was the one who made the decision to shut down all external internet communication to protect the city. If you've tried to reach out to any City of Columbus office, you've probably had troubles. No city employee can receive or send external emails. While Mayor Andrew Ginther says 911 and 311 are functional, they've been impacted as well.
911 and 311 are operational. They're not operating as if they would normally. Obviously the dispatch system at 911 and 311, folks are accepting calls and putting those information. A lot of them are working on paper based on shutting down the system. So it is clearly not as efficient as we would like it to be.
That's because the city closed off all access to outside internet-based services. Ginther explains to protect city employees' information and citizens. He says he's hoping the city can start turning some systems back on later this week, but was not specific about what caused the incident. So you called it a threat. What exactly happened?
Well, there's not a whole lot I can share at this point because we're still in the midst of the investigation. But we do, this cybersecurity event that took place last Thursday, we're still trying to uncover all the details that we can.
The city attorney's office is investigating. In a statement, they said, as you know, the city has engaged law enforcement and cybersecurity experts to investigate the incident and liaise with the Department of Technology to eradicate the threat, comply with applicable laws, and limit further risk. The city attorney's office will assist investigators and clients as needed, but with the critical nature of IT infrastructure, it would be inappropriate to comment further at this time. But the mayor wouldn't comment on if any other agency is involved in the investigation. Is the FBI involved?
I can't really speak to that at this point. There's, an ongoing investigation.
And I asked the mayor, how much is this going to cost the city? He said as much as it takes to fix and prevent from happening again. Reporting live, Lacey Chris.